Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. Hello everybody. In this video we will teach you the names of some sports. Do you like sports? We are sure you play some sport. Are you ready to learn the name of some of them? Let's go. Listen and repeat. Soccer. Soccer. Bernard plays soccer very well. He is goalkeeper. Swimming. Swimming. Veronica likes to swim. Basketball. Basketball. And plays basketball every afternoon. Baseball. Baseball. Jordan is the best player on his team. Golf. Golf. Betty plays golf with her brother. Equestrianism. Equestrianism. Mike won several competitions with his horse. Fishing. Fishing. John's father is teaching him to fish. Tennis. Tennis. Pat will be a great tennis player when he grows up. Karate. Karate. Ferdinand is a black belt in karate. Boxing. Boxing. Maria likes to train boxing. Badminton. Badminton. Natalie is playing badminton with her mother. Volleyball. Volleyball. Nadir teaches volleyball at school. Ski. Ski. Every winter Roberta goes skiing. American football. American football. Helen plays football with her friends. Ping pong. Ping pong. Nadia's neighbors invite her to play ping pong. Car racing. Car racing. Dan will win many car races. Cycling. Cycling. Timothy trains many hours a day on his bike. Bowling. Bowling. Keith coaches bowling twice a week. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. Weightlifting makes Carla stronger. Rollerblading. Rollerblading. Lisa is going rollerblading with you guys. Surfing. Surfing. Marcy surfs from an early age. Running. Running. Bob and Neo practice running together. Fitness. Fitness. Gymnastics makes Vera very flexible. Artistic gymnastics. Artistic gymnastics. Susan looks like very light. Are you enjoying our video? We hope so. See you soon. Bye.